Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get Robinhood Debit card. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So here we are going to see this article of Robinhood and it will show us on how to start with Robinhood spending accounts. And basically to have your debit card, you will need to have your spending account. And first, after signing up to your account in the Robinhood application or website, you will be needing to go to the dollar icon. And basically you will have a tab in your uh, app that will be spending, and basically as you can see it, this is the spending icon. And after that you will need to go to its settings and you will find this choice, which is the account and routing number. And after that you can start adding your account, so you can start funding your account or your spending account in Robinhood. And basically then you can start activate your Robinhood cash card. And basically this would be the debit card for Robinhood. And to activate it, all you need to do is to go again to the spending, which is the money icon tab that you have in your application or your website. And then you can start clicking on let's get spending, and then you can start activate your card. And after that you accept the terms of service, and now you can start using your card. And basically you can also link your Robinhood cash card with other accounts if you want, and you will be needing your debit card number, of course. And basically those are also some information about the cash card. And as you can see, it has some limits that you can find here. So as you can see, there are some limits on your Robinhood cash card, and as you can see, those are the limits, etc. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.